So here is another question from JEE Advance. A very interesting question from electrostatics. What it says in the figure, this is the figure. The inner circuit region A, this is region A, represents a sphere of radius RA. RA is equal to 1. RA is equal to 1. Okay. Within which the electrostatic charge density inside this varies with radial distance r. Okay. From the center as rho is equal to kr. So rho A is given kr for this sphere smaller. Again, where k is positive. In the spherical cell B, this is spherical cell B. Outer radius is RB. This is the outer radius RB and inner radius RA. The electrostatic charge density varies as rho B. So for this region, electrostatic charge density rho B is given as 2k by r. So here it is kr as a function of r, electrostatic charge density as a function of r. Here it is kr, and for this is 2k by r. Okay, so which of the following is correct? 4 statements are given here. Electric field, if RB this electric field, potential, total charge, magnitude of electric field just outside the B here. Okay, so first of all we need electrostatic charge to find out any of these values, electric potential or electric field. So what will be the Q net for this whole sphere? So Q net will be, what formula says, charge will be equal to electrostatic charge density rho into volume, where rho is constant for this volume V. Fine, but is electrostatic charge density constant for this whole sphere? No. This is kr for this and 2k by r for this. Also this is a function of r, so it also varies for different spheres, inside, outside, as the r is different for any sphere. So how will we find the total charge? First we have to find QA, then we have to find QB. Now let us take any hypothetical very thin hollow sphere with radius r from the center. So this is the hollow sphere with radius r, also very thin, so its width is infinitesimal small, that is dr. So what will be the volume of this thin hollow sphere? This will be equal to dV is equal to 4 pi r square surface area into dr, width of this thin cell. inner radius is r and outer radius is r plus dr. So dr will be the width and this is the surface area. So dv will be the volume of this thin hollow sphere. Okay, and for this infinitesimal thin hollow sphere where dr is nearly 0, rho will be constant, that will be kr for this and 2k by r for this. So dq will be equal to rho into dv, that is rho into 4 pi r square dr. Now what is rho? So rho is given, rho a for this, for 0 to 1 and for 1 to rb this is 2k by r. So first of all let us find the value of qa for this sphere, inner sphere. What will be the value of qa? qa will be equal to integration dq from 0 center to ra is equal to 1. This ra is given 1, that is what is the value of rho? Rho is given kr, kr for this region. So this is kr 0 to 1 into rho kr into dv 4 pi r square dr. This will be 4 pi k r cube dr will be equal to r4 by 4 0 to 1. From here this will be 4 pi k to 1 by 4 minus 0, 4 cancel out, this will be pi k. So net charge for this smaller sphere qa will be pi k. Now what will be the charge? Net charge qb in this cell with outer radius rb, inner radius ra. For this region qa will be equal to dq ra to rb, ra to rb. This will be ra is given 1 to rb dq, this is dq. So rho will be equal to 2k by r for this region, 2k by r into 4 pi r square dr. Four pi r square dr. Okay, so this will become 8 pi k r dr. R dr will be r square by 2, 1 to rb. So this will become 4 pi k rb square minus 1, rb square minus 1 square. So this is QA and this is QB. Now what will be the Q net for this complete sphere? Q net will be equal to obviously QA plus QB. This is pi k plus 4 pi k RB square minus 1. So this will be pi k. For RB square minus 4 plus 1. So this will be minus 3. This is our Q net. Fine. Now we find the value of Q net for this whole system. Now let us discuss each statement one by one. What it says: if RB is this, then electric field is 0 everywhere outside B. Outside B, this is B, any point outside B. So electric field to be 0 outside any sphere, the essential condition is if E net is 0 implies Q net is 0. So statement A, what will be the electric field is 0, then Q net 0. E net 0 implies Q net 0. So put the value of Q net pi k 4 RB square minus 3. This will be 0. Means 4 RB square will be equal to 3, or RB square will be equal to 3 by 4. So RB will be equal to root 3 by 2. But here it is given whole under root 3 by 2. That is not equal to this. So statement A is wrong. Now what does statement B say? It says if RB is this, then electric potential just outside B at any point at distance RB from the center. Potential is given by 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into Q net by R, and RB, R is given RB just outside B. So this will be equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Q net is this pi k 4 RB square minus 3 by RB. So let us put the value of RB 3 by 2 here. 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught pi k, pi cancel out. 4 into RB square. What will be the value of RB square? This will be 9 by 4 minus 3 RB 3 by 2. So this is K by 4 pi epsilon naught into 4 cancel out 6 into this will be 4. So the value will be, potential will be K by epsilon naught, just outside sphere B. This is given K by epsilon naught. So statement B is correct. This is wrong. This is correct. Now statement C says RB is equal to 2. Then total charge of configuration. Total charge we have found already. This Q net. So let us put the value of RB in equation number 3. RB is 2 pi k 4 into RB 2. So 2 square 4 minus 3, that will be 13 pi k, but here it is 15 pi k. So statement C is also incorrect. This is not equal to 15 pi k. Now statement D, what it say? If RB is this, then magnitude of electric field just outside, magnitude of electric field this. So Q net will be considered as concentrated at Q net at this center, and this will be distance RB from here. So what will be the electric field? This will be 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q by R square. Q is Q net and R is RB. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q net, this pi k 4 RB square minus 3 by RB square. Pi cancel out. This will be K on 4 epsilon naught into 25 by 4 minus 3 on 25 by 4. See, we can also simplify it as 4 minus 3 upon RB square. So RB square will be equal to 25 by 4. This will be K upon 4 epsilon naught into 100 minus 12, 88 by 25. That will be 4, 22 by 25 K by epsilon naught. But here it is given 13 pi k by epsilon naught, which is not equal to 13 pi k by epsilon naught. So statement D is also incorrect. Here it is also incorrect. So answer will be only statement B is correct. So I hope you got it. That was also a very simple question, and you can solve it in hardly 2 minutes. Thank you.